In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Jira subscription. To get started, open Jira in your web browser and go to your team's project area. In this example, you are landing on a project list view, but the exact project name is not important. What matters is that you are signed in to the correct Atlassian account that owns the subscription, since only admins with billing permissions can deactivate a plan. Once you are on the Jira page, look toward the top navigation area for the main menu that lets you access administration and account settings. Click the highlighted option in the header. This is the entry point that takes you out of the project workspace and into the account-level controls for your Atlassian organization. After you select that option, you will be taken to the Atlassian administration experience. Here you will want to locate the billing or subscriptions area. Click the next highlighted option on the page to open the billing details for your organization. This is where Atlassian lists the products you are paying for, your current plan, and the entitlements tied to your site. Now you should be on a billing page that shows the Jira subscription entitlement. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct product before you make changes. If you manage multiple sites or products, it is easy to land in the wrong place, so verify that the page you are viewing refers to Jira and the site you intend to change. When you are ready, find the Deactivate button and click Deactivate. This action begins the cancellation process for the Jira subscription. Depending on your plan and billing cycle, Atlassian may show a confirmation screen or a short prompt to finalize the deactivation. Read any confirmation text carefully so you understand when access will end and whether you will retain service until the end of the current billing period. After deactivation is completed, you should see the subscription status update on the billing page. It is a good idea to stay on this page for a few seconds and confirm that the entitlement no longer shows as active. If you are working in a team, you may also want to notify users that the subscription has been deactivated, since it can affect access to Jira features and projects. And that is all there is to it.